so much wonder. I had only ever seen. My heart was moved, yet beauty lived at a distance, it seemed. From within, a moment's spark revealed a world inside my own, where quiet beauty had always grown. Enchanting light, a surge of life, unadorned emotion, silent awe. An impulse breaks free, no longer on the sidelines of it all. In the sky, a universe of firsts. Between two gazes, a silent trust is born. Beneath the waves, a blue heartbeat thrums. Every frame is a portrait of the soul, and kindred spirits will one day find each other. You see the beauty because you let it in, and every moment you begin becomes a universe within. The stage is set. Open your heart and frame your world.